Hi, you're watching the working of the ultrasonic cutter, and this is the model Z095 from Honda Electronics. So let me begin with the elements. So this is the controller of the unit. Here you can see the foot pedal which has come from behind, and the tool, the cutting tool, is been connected from the front face of the controller. As you can go through the controller, you have 3 mode switches. Green indicates the normal mode, high indicates orange, and red indicates super high. And you also have an alarm indicator here. Once the machine is too much heated up, this LED is going to glow, which indicates the machine is too heated and you need to keep it idle for some time. So let me cut once and show it to you. So once you press the foot pedal, so you can see the ultrasonic on LED glowing in green light. So I'll try cutting one in normal mode, which is green. So it's cutting good in normal mode, which is green color. So let me cut and show it to you one more. It's coming good. So I'll try to cut in high mode, which is orange. So it feels a bit smoother than compared to the normal mode. So let me try cutting in super high. This is way too much smoother than compared to both the modes. I'll try cutting one more. So this is the working of ultrasonic cutter.